The VPI CM-60W-220V RJ45 RJ11 Crimp Machine with 60W power 220V is an automatic RJ45 and RJ11 crimping machine with 60W power operation and maximum pressing strength up to 441 pounds, 200 kilograms. It uses a hydraulic and air compressor termination system and supports interchangeable RJ45 and RJ11 crimping dies for flexible connector compatibility. The unit features a quiet direct motor drive design and allows mold changes in under 3 minutes for efficient workflow operation. It also supports 220V power input for production environments and reliable high-volume cable termination performance. Visit HDTVSupply.com to learn more.